Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, Jamaica had an improved showing at the Caribbean Regional Youth Table Tennis Championships, ending the competition with 1 silver and 5 bronze, despite arriving on the day of the competition. Now, TVJ Sports caught up with the team on their arrival from Barbados at the Norman Manley International Airport on Monday.
G. Marcus Smith was the top performer for the country, coming away with a silver in the under-15 boys team category, individual and boys doubles bronze medals.
I'm really pleased about my performance. I know I could have done better, but I have to train, keep on training harder. I have to go back to the drawing board and do some more work.
Kira Scott was a top girl, bagging 2 bronze in the under-15 doubles and team categories.
From comparing it to my last competition, which was the same competition, I didn't perform as well as I wanted to, right? And then now coming back with this and, having this support system, and, being able to show all of this, it's really helping me, and I know it's only going to be up from here. I mean, I wish I had gotten first, but third is still the first step to first.
All 6 medals were earned by the under-15 team.
The under-15 teams, they qualify for the Pan Am Youth and Pan Am Games will take place in Paraguay and also in Argentina later on in August.
Some under-19 players reflected on their performance.
This competition was tough. I mean, we went there, I gave my best, but our opponents just happened to beat me this time. Everyone there was strong, everyone was there, had their goal in mind. But of course, some of my weaknesses got the best of me.
It was a very tough competition. The tournament was good. Our performance at first was a bit off, but we adjusted in the latter half of the tournament.
I feel like Jamaica in general is not too far off from competitors, as I fell short 3 times coming quarterfinals in teams, mixed doubles and regular doubles. So I feel like the competition is good and it's a great way for us to develop.
I came very close to getting a medal, but ultimately there's a few things I have to work on. But I'm also going to be traveling for the senior team, so I'm going to keep working hard in training and I'm going to improve so that I can come back with a medal for the senior category.
It's believed extenuating circumstances led to a slow start.
And about 2 o'clock we reached at the hotel and we were up and out by 6 a.m. the next morning. A lot of the athletes, they were fatigued, seeing that they were jet-lagged and sleep-deprived. So I ensured that I massage out the cramps and the fatigue out of the muscles to get them in competition, for them to try and do their best.
The traveling definitely took a toll on the team the first day, As you know, we didn't get an early enough flight to get ourselves acclimatized to the environment and the setting. So we had a very, very slow start to the competition, but as we went along, we started to adjust and we started to pick up.
Jamaica, who ended at the foot of the table last year, placed the 3rd overall out of 11 countries. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
Justice